Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time, I'd like to share you how to calculate the food cost for the restaurant menu. And also we will use this Grok AI to help us to calculate that food cost. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the very first step you can do is you need to research about the product that you would like to sell to your customer. For example, I will try to sell the taco, and also I need to know about the recipe because that recipe also contains about the, for example, the seasoning and also the condiments. And you can do your research and choose the best recipe that you would like to present to your customer. And after that, you can go back to this Grok AI, and I will also present the prompt for you guys. For example, I type here that I act as the food business owner, and also I want to calculate the food cost for my dishes. The example is that I would like to sell the taco beef with pico de gallo, and also I type the seasonings, for example the onion powder, oregano, cayenne, garlic powder, paprika, salt, cumin, and also the condiments, for example the tomato paste, ground beef, bone broth, tortillas, lettuce, sour cream, limes, guacamole, and pico de gallo, and the cheese. And what I plan is I want to sell this taco when the summer break, and you can also put the place that you would like to sell, in what restaurant that you would like to sell this product, and how many product that you would like to serve or you would like to sell per, let's say, per box or per plate to your customer. And for example, I want to keep 40% as my food cost. And in the list or the last question or the last request for this prompt, I want the suggestion that what should be the MRP for this dish for the medium and the big size. And also I need the, let's say, the option just in case there are several options, and I want the calculation in the US dollar currency. And after that you can start to generate it. And this is the result. As you can see, this Grok will help you to assume something about the portion and the ingredient quantities, and also ingredient the cost. So this is the estimate ingredient cost would be. You can do the detail about the cost for every condiment, so it will give you the very detail of the MRP for your product. For example, the medium plate would be $6.33. And if you would like to keep your MRP or keep your food cost to be 40%, then you can sell to your customer, or sell this taco to your customer is around $50.83, or you can round it to become $16. And also the big plate, you can sell it to become, let's say, $24. And you can also do the verify about the food cost percentage. And also the suggestion is already for you guys. So that's all. Don't forget to try it by yourself, and I believe that this AI can help you, and I wish the best for your business, and I hope it also bring the beneficial for you and your customer. So that's all guys. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more about the another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.